Alright, good morning. We are at day 17 already. Okay, make sure as you're going through the morning video that you are turning it in. I'm only seeing 5 people doing that. Okay, let's make sure that we do that. Please, that shows whether you're watching this and getting the information that I think that you should have. For math, day 17. First thing you're going to do is you're going to be comparing sums of unit fractions. Now remember, sums are the answer you get from adding. It's going to ask you to compare, and it's saying without adding, find which sum is less. Watch these words. It's going to go from less, or sometimes it'll say greater, and then it says neither, they are equal. So look at these options. It's adding 1/3 plus 1/4. They are both the exact same. And I know it says without adding, but if you need to find a common denominator and add these, you are more than welcome to do that. So in this case, neither. This one I'm looking at, I see 1/8 plus half. I see 1/8 plus 1/3. I see the 1/8 are equal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare these two fractions, and I know that half is more than 1/3. It's saying which is greater, so 1/8 plus half is greater. Okay, so work through it just like that. You're going to find, hopefully there's one fraction that's equal, and then you're going to have to compare the other fraction. We've got plenty of strategies to do that. Compare to half, compare to, or use cross multiplying, find a common denominator. There's a lot of different ways that you guys can solve these. Okay, it's a little more challenging, so be prepared. You're going to have to do a little work. Now the next one is very similar, except now you're subtracting. So you're comparing the difference. Remember, the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So this one, half minus 1/8, half minus 1/8. Which one is less? Okay, so work through that, and then I put a challenge in for you today. You're adding 3 or more fractions with unlike denominators. You're going to have to go through, find a common denominator, or you could add the 2 fractions first and get 5/8. Grab a pen tool here. So if I add these two, I get 5/8. Now I have to have a common denominator, so I need to find an equivalent fraction to 1/4 that has 8 as a denominator. I know that if I multiply 4 by 2, it gets me to 8. Whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2/8 plus 5/8 equals 7/8. Okay? So hopefully that helps you out with that piece. Okay? So that's math for the day. 10 o'clock, we're going to have our book talk. Today we're going to talk about our ReadWorks passages and the results that we've had from the past 2 days of our informational fiction passages. During math talk, I'm going to talk about adding 3 fractions with unlike denominators. So if you need some help with that, please show up at 11 o'clock. ReadWorks, Amusement Park Motion. This is another informational fiction passage, so we're kind of sticking with that same genre of passage. Okay? If you have questions, please let me know. Remember the challenge from yesterday. Bring someone with you today to the book talk at 10 o'clock. All right, hope to see you soon.